trial more than a decade in the making. Today, opening statements and emotional testimony in the Paige Johnson case out in Claremont County. A jury made up of 6 men and 6 women are hearing the case against Jacob Bumpus, who's accused in Johnson's disappearance from Covington almost 13 years ago. She was only 17, a new mother. Thanks for joining us at 4 o'clock. I'm Cherie Pallello.
And I'm Ashley Kirkland. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson is covering the trial and explains what both sides said in their opening statements.
In the prosecutor's opening statement, he walked jurors through the case and explained what they would hear during the course of the trial. The defense attorney took a bit of a different approach and threw out different names and theories, possibly trying to place doubt or some confusion in jurors' minds. Paige Johnson was 17 years old when she disappeared in 2010. Prosecutors say she had been at the defendant Jacob Bumpus's home the night leading up to her disappearance. 10 years had passed without anyone knowing what happened to the Northern Kentucky teenager. Then in March of 2020, a hiker found her remains in a wooded area near East Fork Lake in Claremont County. The location was a little over a mile from where prosecutors say Bumpus' phone pinged the morning Johnson was last seen. 4 months later, Bumpus was indicted on 2 felonies, tampering with evidence and abuse of a corpse. Prosecutors say we may never know how she died, but they believe Bumpus is the one who tried to hide her body. The defense pointed out in 2010 there were cell towers, but no GPS on phones that could show Bumpus's movement, and said investigators were out to pin this on Bumpus.
It's this guy. We know it's him. We go ahead and get the search warrant to search his house. Oh, we found some red solvent, some red material. It was liquid on the kitchen sink in a glove. And they take it back and they test it. Experienced, well-trained detectives. It's Kool-Aid.
He certainly did not want law enforcement to have access to Paige's remains so they could conduct an investigation. So what did he do? He drove to Claremont County, somewhere rural near the state park, and dumped her. He dumped her with a complete disregard for the value of her life. He dumped her like she was nothing more than a bag of trash. A bag of trash that he did not want tied back to him.
After opening statements, prosecutors called their first witness, Donna Johnson, who is Paige Johnson's mother. Coming up tonight at 5 and 6, you'll hear her extremely emotional testimony and what she had to say about her very first interaction with Bumpus. In Batavia, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
And of course, we'll have much more on this trial and the opening statements here.